For years, Linux users have debated which distribution offers the best balance between performance, stability, simplicity, and usability. New distributions appear regularly, each promising to revolutionize the desktop experience. Some focus on cutting-edge technology, others on beautiful interfaces, and some on serving highly specialized audiences. Yet amid all the hype and marketing, one Linux distribution quietly continues to impress users around the world without demanding attention. That distribution is MX Linux. While it may not receive the same level of coverage as Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch Linux, or other high-profile projects, MX Linux has steadily built a reputation as one of the most practical, reliable, and surprisingly capable operating systems available today. In fact, many Linux enthusiasts consider it one of the best-kept secrets in the Linux world. At first glance, MX Linux does not seem particularly flashy. The desktop environment looks familiar and traditional. The website is straightforward. The project rarely makes dramatic announcements or bold promises. But that understated approach is exactly what makes MX Linux special. Instead of chasing trends, the developers focus on delivering a stable, efficient, and user-friendly experience that simply works. For many users, especially those who value reliability over novelty, this philosophy is incredibly refreshing. One of the first things people notice after installing MX Linux is how fast it feels. Modern operating systems often consume significant system resources, making older computers struggle with everyday tasks. MX Linux takes a different approach. It is designed to be lightweight without sacrificing functionality. The default installation runs comfortably on hardware that many modern operating systems would consider obsolete. This means users can breathe new life into aging laptops and desktops instead of replacing them. The performance advantages become even more apparent during daily use. Applications launch quickly, the desktop remains responsive, and system resources stay available for actual work instead of being consumed by background processes. Whether browsing the web, editing documents, watching videos, or managing files, MX Linux consistently delivers a smooth experience. This efficiency makes it particularly appealing for users with older hardware, but even those with modern systems appreciate the speed and responsiveness. Another reason MX Linux stands out is its foundation. The distribution is based on Debian Stable, one of the most respected and reliable foundations in the Linux ecosystem. Debian has long been known for prioritizing stability and thorough testing over rapid feature releases. By building on Debian Stable, MX Linux inherits an extremely solid base that users can trust. System updates rarely introduce unexpected problems, making it an excellent choice for users who need a dependable computer for work, study, or everyday tasks. However, MX Linux does not simply take Debian and add a few cosmetic changes. The developers have invested significant effort into creating a unique set of tools that make system administration dramatically easier. These MX tools are often considered one of the distribution's greatest strengths. Instead of forcing users to memorize complex terminal commands, many common tasks can be accomplished through intuitive graphical interfaces. For example, users can easily create system snapshots, manage repositories, repair bootloaders, configure hardware settings, and customize the desktop environment using MX tools. These utilities simplify many aspects of Linux administration that traditionally required extensive technical knowledge. As a result, beginners feel more comfortable while experienced users save time and effort. One particularly impressive feature is the snapshot tool. This utility allows users to create a complete image of their current system, including installed applications and personal settings. If something goes wrong or users want to migrate to another computer, they can restore their system quickly and easily. Even more interesting, these snapshots can be converted into bootable ISO files. This means users can essentially create their own customized Linux distribution based on their personal setup. Few distributions offer such a powerful feature in such an accessible form. MX Linux also excels in flexibility. Many operating systems assume that every user wants the same experience. MX Linux recognizes that different users have different needs. The distribution provides extensive customization options without overwhelming newcomers. Users can adjust desktop layouts, panel configurations, themes, window behavior, and countless other settings. Whether someone prefers a modern interface or a classic desktop environment, MX Linux can accommodate their preferences. The default desktop environment, XFCE, plays a major role in this flexibility. XFC has earned a reputation for being lightweight, stable, and highly customizable. It provides all the functionality most users need while avoiding unnecessary complexity. Unlike some desktop environments that prioritize visual effects over performance, XFC focuses on efficiency and usability. Combined with MX Linux optimizations, the result is a desktop experience that feels polished and dependable. Despite its lightweight nature, MX Linux does not feel limited or outdated. Modern software is readily available through Debian repositories and additional package sources. Users can install popular web browsers, office suites, multimedia applications, development tools, and creative software with ease. The distribution supports a wide variety of hardware and provides excellent compatibility with printers, wireless adapters, and other peripherals. Package management is another area where MX Linux shines. The included package installer simplifies software discovery and installation. Instead of searching multiple websites for applications, users can browse curated categories and install software with just a few clicks. This approach reduces confusion and helps newcomers find useful applications quickly. At the same time, advanced users retain access to traditional package management tools and repositories. One of the most remarkable aspects of MX Linux is how well it balances beginner friendliness with advanced capabilities. Many distributions tend to focus primarily on one audience. Some are designed almost exclusively for newcomers, while others target experienced Linux veterans. MX Linux successfully serves both groups. Beginners appreciate the graphical tools and straightforward setup process, while advanced users enjoy the flexibility, customization options, and access to powerful Linux features. The Live USB experience further demonstrates this balance. Users can run MX Linux directly from a USB drive without installing it on their computers. This allows them to test compatibility, explore features, and evaluate performance before making any commitment. The live environment includes persistence options, enabling users to save changes and data between sessions. This functionality is especially useful for troubleshooting, portable computing, and system recovery tasks. Security is another important strength. Because MX Linux is based on Debian stable, it benefits from a mature security model and regular updates. Users receive security patches without being forced into disruptive system upgrades. This conservative approach helps maintain system reliability while protecting against vulnerabilities. For many users, particularly those who depend on their computers for important work, this combination of security and stability is highly valuable. Community support also contributes significantly to MX Linux's success. The user community is known for being welcoming, knowledgeable, and helpful. Forums contain extensive documentation, tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and discussions covering virtually every aspect of the distribution. New users often discover that their questions have already been answered in detailed forum posts. When additional assistance is needed, community members frequently respond with practical solutions and clear explanations. Another reason people become loyal MX Linux users is the distribution's philosophy. The project prioritizes practicality over trends. Instead of adopting every new technology immediately, developers carefully evaluate changes and focus on what genuinely improves the user experience. This measured approach reduces instability and ensures that new features provide real value. While some distributions occasionally introduce controversial changes in pursuit of innovation, MX Linux emphasizes consistency and reliability. This philosophy extends to system requirements as well. In an era when software increasingly demands more powerful hardware, MX Linux demonstrates that efficiency still matters. The ability to transform an older computer into a responsive and productive machine is one of the distribution's most compelling achievements. For students, budget-conscious users, organizations, and environmentally conscious individuals, extending hardware lifespan provides both economic and ecological benefits. Many users who initially install MX Linux as a temporary solution eventually make it their primary operating system. They discover that the distribution delivers everything they need without unnecessary complications. It boots quickly, runs efficiently, stays stable, and provides useful tools that simplify everyday computing. Over time, the absence of problems becomes one of its greatest advantages. Users spend less time troubleshooting and more time actually using their computers. What makes MX Linux secretly amazing is not a single revolutionary feature. Instead, it is the thoughtful combination of countless small decisions that prioritize the user experience. The lightweight design, stable Debian foundation, powerful MX tools, excellent customization options, strong community support, and practical philosophy all work together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. It may not generate headlines or dominate social media discussions, but it consistently delivers where it matters most. In a technology landscape often obsessed with novelty and constant change, MX Linux proves that refinement, stability remain incredibly valuable. It offers an operating system that respects users' time, hardware, and preferences. Whether you are a Linux beginner looking for a welcoming introduction, an experienced user seeking a dependable daily driver, or someone hoping to revive an aging computer, MX Linux deserves serious consideration. The reason so many people quietly recommend it is simple. Once you experience how well it works, it becomes clear why MX Linux is one of the Linux world's most underrated gems, and why this seemingly humble distribution continues to win over users year after year.